Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the Moto has enough battery and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings and use the search bar to quickly jump to Display or System. Models vary. Tap Display when present, otherwise tap System, then Advanced. Once done, look for Navigation Bar, Gestures, or Button Settings. You do this because some Moto builds hide navigation options under different labels, and starting at Display speeds the process by showing visual options immediately. You now select the navigation mode that fits your workflow: gesture navigation for edge swipes, 3-button for classic controls, or 2-button where available. Tap the option and use the preview area to test how swipes or buttons respond. Make sure to adjust gesture sensitivity or button order if the phone offers those toggles. This fine-tunes reliability and reduces accidental inputs. Once you confirm the preview feels right, apply the change so the system saves the new navigation scheme immediately. You finish by testing core apps and the home screen to confirm the new navigation behaves as expected. Open several apps and return home using the chosen method. If the change doesn't stick or feels glitchy, reboot the phone first. This clears transient conflicts. If problems persist, reset navigation to default in Settings, and check for Moto actions or third-party launchers that may override controls. Uninstall or disable those to restore normal behavior. That single reboot often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.